Anyone else dealing with bird jealous? Whenever I touch Rico, Coco gives me this look and opens his mouth like, hey, what about me? Here's what been helping. I'm making sure to give both Coco and Rico equal attention so no one feels left out. I also started giving Coco a little treats when he stays calm while I am with Rico. Positive vibes only. Slowly, I had started spending more time with Rico while Coco watches and is getting more used to it. And here comes the fun tip. While I'm bonding with Rico, I give Coco a toy or treat to keep him busy and happy. Plus, I have found that having some one on one time with each bird really strengthens our bond. Anyone else dealing with this? What's been working for you? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for tuning in. Your support means a lot to our new channel. Share your tips or stories in the comments. I would love to hear them. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Coco and Rico adventures. Let's grow together. Thank you for watching.